Well, I'm Jagender Rana. Good morning, everyone. So, taking up the product aviation insurance in India. Aviation insurance in India. So the aviation insurance market faces intensified competition and lingering uncertainties as it investigates or as it navigates the landscape in the second quarter of 2024. There's still a lot of uncertainty, but some clarity has started to emerge around the leased aircraft claims emanating from Russia, and this is generating competition between insurers in the short to medium term. As a result, insurers face a challenging market as they look to balance competitiveness with commercial viability. Moreover, each renewal will come with its own unique considerations and circumstances. However, without any significant claims insurance, buyers can generally expect a favorable short-term outlook. So the airline insurance market operates on a reactive and cyclical basis. Periods of unprofitability prompt capital flight only to be followed by inevitable corrections and the return of capital seeking higher rates. So recent years have witnessed this pattern in the hull and liability market, influenced by factors such as Russia-related uncertainties and post-pandemic operational risk. Now, higher prices coupled with claims at around average levels have started to attract capacity back into the market. This has generated competition for inclusion and well-managed airline insurance programs. So as far as this aviation insurance is concerned, so New India participated in the aviation insurance of Air India way back in 1946. New India Insurance Company provides professional aviation insurance advice and solutions to the needs of small aircraft operators as well as scheduled airlines. Though today all the general insurance companies provide the aviation insurance, this aviation portfolio encompasses following type of covers: hull all risk insurance policy. This policy is suitable for small aircraft operators belonging to flying clubs, companies engaged in agriculture, spraying operations, aircraft especially designed for VVIPs, business executives, and for those engaged in industrial aids. So the policy scope includes all physical loss or damage sustained by the insured aircraft, including total loss, disappearance. All losses are paid subject to deductibles. Then there is a spares all risk insurance policy. This covers loss or damage to spares, tools, equipment, and supplies owned by the insured or the property for which the insured is responsible, while on ground or in transit by land, sea, air, including an own damage or whilst on the premises of others for storage only. Then hull spares, war risk insurance. Indemnity is provided to the aircraft as well as spares caused by war, invasion acts of foreign enemies, hostilities, civil war, revolution, resurrection, martial law, strikes, riots and civil commissions, malicious act, and sabotage. Hull deductible insurance. Hull deductible insurance. Airlines at times have to bear a proportion of loss due to applications of a deductible under all risk policy, which may impose considerable financial difficulty on the insured. Therefore, the operators insure part of their deductibles under this kind of insurance. Then aviation personal accident crew member insurance. This cover is designed to cover insured persons against injury, disablement or death arising as a result of an accident that is generally granted on an annual basis. So the cover operates while mounting or dismounting from and while traveling an aircraft while the aircraft is being used within the geographical scope as per its permitted uses. This cover can also be on 24-hour basis. So the capital sum insured varies according to the status of the insured, earning capacity or earning capacity and fixed by the insurers. Then loss of license insurance. Operating crews of the aircraft are required to have valid license. License is liable to be suspended either temporarily or permanently on medical grounds. So consequently, financial loss is covered by the loss of license policy. Cover provided is in respect of incapacity causing permanent total disablement or temporary total disablement due to bodily injury or illness. Besides the aforesaid general aviation policies, insurers also provides various other tailor-made insurance as per a specific requirement of the insured. As far as claims are concerned, in case of claims following are illustrated documents that are generally called for from the insured, like documents in connection with aircraft details, flight details, in connection with accidents, airworthiness or registration, crew details, maintenance and engineering information, operational manual passenger documentation in case of claims. So these are certain documents which are normally asked by the insurance company to settle the claims. Now, the companies, airlines companies, prefer to get the cover for their entire fleet. The insurance cover provided by a consortium of Indian insurance companies including Tata AIA General Insurance, New India Insurance or many companies. So the Indian companies have reinsured the airlines with foreign insurers, including all insurance companies used to reinsure the aviation portfolio with the reinsurers, because this is the big portfolio and the amount involved is also huge. But this is not a new branch. This aviation insurance is there since beginning, and major insurance companies are doing this. The only thing is, the aviation insurance market is expected to grow due to product advancement, acquisitions and business expansions by the market players, and also the increasing adoption of the aviation insurance for the easy use of financial services. However, the main impediment is the high airplane insurance cost of the premium. So the aviation industry is prone to a range of risks and threats, especially with respect to aircraft, technical operations, Now, this market is basically driven by the specialized insurance policies, because the aviation insurance is a type of specialized insurance designed to cover the specific operations of an aircraft as well as other optional potential risk in aviation. So aviation insurance covers losses caused by aviation risks such as aircraft preservation and use, property destruction, cargo forfeiture, or personal injury. It protects both aircraft owners and operators from unexpected losses. Many countries require aircraft owners and operators to purchase third-party aviation liability insurance under standard laws. The development in the aviation industry in the developing region is creating the opportunities for the aviation insurance market growth. The primary factor driving the market growth is the thriving aviation industry as well as a growing number of airports worldwide. And in recent years, there has been a substantial growth in the number of passengers choosing to take flight. To meet this increased demand, both emerging and developing countries are modernizing and expanding existing airport terminals as well as construction new ones. Furthermore, the growing investment in technology and the expansion of smart airports that use various automated solutions is also helping to drive market growth. So the aviation market is constrained by a number of factors, including low level of awareness and a proclivity to delay in providing services to clients, which can lead to disinterest and a lack of adequate trust in selecting insurance coverage for their aircraft. As insurance claims pass through various public insurance products, they are processed at a leisurely pace. So in recent years, as an increasing number of people have chosen to travel by plane, which has accelerated the growth of this market. So over the past few years, the number of people flying around the world has increased. And that is the reason this portfolio is increasing every day. And the insurance companies are coming out with the latest products from time to time. This portfolio is also giving very good premium for the insurance companies because the cost of insurance is heavy. Our public sector GIC will be paying around rupees 18 crore while three other PSU general insurers in India, Oriental National Insurance and National Insurance will have to shell out rupees 5 crore each to meet the part of liabilities in the JAL policy. JAL policy means Japan Airlines crash claim. So this kind of incidents are also taking place. That is the reason the insurance is required nowadays. Thank you very much.